Hey guys, James from First Love Studios here. Yes, got the Weebill S again here. Saw the test footage last week and I just remembered there was a big problem when I came to kind of set up the camera with my Sony A7iii, and that problem was when I had the Weebill Lab I could adjust the ISO shutter speed and aperture directly from the gimbal handle using the click wheel on the back. When I set up with the Weebill S, it wouldn't do it. Now I had the multi-cable like going in the right place to the multi-port on the A7iii and from the right place on the gimbal, and it just wouldn't work. Now I'm going to show you on the menu how to do this, but essentially all you need to do is, instead of picking your camera as Sony from the list, pick it as Panasonic. Yeah, exactly. Took me ages to figure it out, but yeah, once I put it to Panasonic mode instead of Sony mode, all the functions work perfectly and it actually connects like really fast. Whereas the Weebill Lab would take like 10 seconds to connect, and it'd mean I'd miss some shots sometimes because I'd be waiting for the camera to catch up with the gimbal and everything to talk to each other. This happens like pretty instantly, and it's absolutely excellent. Right, I'll get a bit closer to the camera and I'll show you this. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the menu. And we're going to go to camera. I don't know if you can see this properly. I'm going to go right, and yeah, instead of hitting Sony up there where you'd think it would be, I'm actually going to hit Panasonic and then go to there, waiting, and it's done. And that's all you need to do. Now when I go off the menu, you can see I'm controlling aperture, now shutter speed, now ISO, and you can adjust it directly from the gimbal handle. So there we go. Hopefully that'll save you a couple of hours of trying to figure that out and tearing your hair out. So that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. It really helps me out if you consider subscribing to the channel. If you like my videos, and if you comment below to see what you'd like to see more of next. Now I have some how-tos, I have some ideas for series coming up, and I also have some more gear reviews and unboxings to come. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.